everyone, welcome back to Glory English Language Academy. Our today's lesson is speaking about past simple questions. Let's get started. 5A. Look at the sentences and write questions to ask your partner. အောက်မှာ1 to 5အဖြေတွေပေးထားတယ်။ဝေကြားတွေကိုကြည့်ပြီးတော့တငယ်ချင်းကိုမေးဖို့အတွက်မေးခွန်းလေးတွေရေးပေးရမယ်။ Number 1. He or she was born in a hospital. မေးခွန်းမေးမယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် Where were you born? Number 2. He or she grew up in a city. မေးခွန်းမေးမယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် Did you grow up in a city? Or where did you grow up? Number 3. He or she usually walked to school when he or she was 10. မေးခွန်းမေးမယ်ဆိုရင် Did you usually walk to school when you were 10? Or how did you get to school when you were 10? Number 4. He or she went abroad every summer when he or she was a child. မေးခွန်းမေးမယ်ဆိုရင် Did you go abroad every summer when you were a child? Or how often did you go abroad when you were a child? Number 5. He or she played a lot of sports at school. မေးခွန်းမေးမယ်ဆိုရင် Did you play a lot of sports at school? Now to exercise B, walk in pairs and take turns to ask and answer the questions. မေးခွန်းတွေကိုတငယ်ချင်းနဲ့အတူအမေးအဖြေတစ်လှည့်စီလေ့ကျင့်ပေးရမယ်။ This is the end of the lesson. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.